You how to put the right hearing aid and ear mold in the ear. We know it's right because you can see the right markings on it. First thing you do is put the hearing aid over the ear. Okay, then you want the retention line, that's the retrieval line, pardon me, that helps you take it out, down at the bottom. The writing of the ear mold should be facing you. Then you know it's going in the correct way. The little white piece, that goes in the ear. And the writing here is facing me. So it goes in the ear like that. That's how to put it in correctly. And then this little piece should be at the bottom of the ear.